So let's tour an outstanding new build by Taylor Morrison. This is called the Illume. This is going to feature about 3,500 square feet, and you're looking at about 4 to 5 beds in this home. So let's check this home out. It's very lovely as you walk in the entrance. Remember, everything you see when we're going through this tour is going to be considered an upgrade. You're dealing with a premium builder, which is Taylor Morrison. And like I said, don't judge this home by what you see. You're only gonna get the shell of the home for the base price, which is starting about $715,000. You have your nice bath when you walk in. And this is gonna lead us to 3 bedrooms. So this hallway has 3 bedrooms. I like that actually. I like the addition of having that. All my kids are completely separated from me. So the household, the man of household or woman of household is gonna have complete separation from everyone. And we're gonna lead back this way. Now, it's luxury. It looks like it's not even vinyl plank. This is actually tile. No, this is actually, it's vinyl plank on the flooring that we have here. This is what's a killer for me. This kitchen, completely large. This island, check this out. I'm 6'1". My wingspan is probably 6'3", 6'4". Look at this. Look at this island. Very nice. Everything you see is upgraded cabinetry up top, upgrade. This is a quartzite countertop. It's a very nice kitchen. I love the layout. Look at even the refrigerator. This is what you're gonna get. You're gonna have this space. Starting price $715. You're gonna have a lot premium, depending on your location, because we are in Lake Las Vegas, and if you're from Vegas or you don't know where that is, definitely take out your phone, research Lake Las Vegas. I'm gonna show you a chef's pantry. So those of you that love to cook, this is a great addition to add to your home. You're gonna buy this home, you might as well get this feature because the resale value is just definitely gonna bring it up. Check out your pantry, and then you're gonna have your garage access right here. Check that out. Now, I'm gonna lead you over to your living space. I love when the kitchen overlooks my living room. So now here's your great room right here. Very nice space. The fireplace you see, that's gonna be an upgrade and an additional. Even the sliders right here. These sliders, this is an additional upgrade. Now, you wanna make sure you get that. If you're gonna buy a home like this, you gotta spend the money now. Spend it now. Here is your dining section where you have your nice large parties, your nice family dinners, and so much more. But I'm gonna lead you outside because there's something special I wanna show you outside. Now, you have the nice awning that covers, give you that nice protection from the sun, and you can kind of see Lake Las Vegas from right here. So whoever gets this model home is going to have a prime location. You can oversee Blue Heron Homes, and I believe they got Tri-Point down there that's going to be building. That's going to be very nice too as well. But you're going to have decent sized lots, and those lot premiums could range all the way up to $200,000 to $300,000 depending on your prime location. But you have pavers out here in the backyard, definitely an upgrade. But this is the addition to the home that I said you can use as that 5th bedroom. This is the part of the home that I like. I would personally use it as a game room for my children. You have a walk-in closet and a 3/4 bath, and that is why I say you can use it as a room, because technically it is classified as a bedroom, but you can use it as that flex space. We're gonna head back in and we're gonna check out that primary. Primary is still nice. See, the primary has a lot for me to show you, so you have to stay with me now. So here we go. Primary is going to be spacious. I love that they decorate the chairs. They're showing you how much space that you can actually use here. You have your dresser over there, but the window placements looking through Lake Las Vegas is very nice. But the primary bath, I know you ladies was waiting to see it. We have a standalone tub with a nice window placement so you can take a bath and have a nice peaceful outdoor scene. And then you have a shower right across from it, man, and you have all the hookups here. So we got a real party shower when it comes to Las Vegas. This is gonna lead us into our walk-in closet. So go into our walk-in closet so you can see if this is enough space for you. And then it leads you right into your laundry room, then to the other side of the home. But we're not gonna go there. I'm gonna turn you around because I didn't mention to you that the his and her sinks completely separated. I love that. And then you have your water closet right across. I wish they had 2, but it's only 1. But check this out. This is connected to your primary bedroom, and this can be used as an office, or if that closet is way too small for you, you can put built-ins here and make this an additional closet, and that way both the man and the woman is both satisfied. So check this out. We're gonna lead right into our hallway now, and we're gonna go right into our half bath, and then from the half bath, you're gonna see your laundry room, and from there, you're gonna come right back out to the beginning, and we are done with this home. And remember, this is not just any tour, this is a snow tour. You're looking to buy this home, make sure you reach out to me.